Well, good morning and welcome to a new garden season. It is a very frosty April Fool's Day, and we had cold temperatures last night. I bought some fertilizer yesterday to fertilize the rhubarb. I thought it got hurt, but maybe not too bad. Maybe not too bad. Let's go check out the asparagus. Morning, kitties. While we're on this side of the house, yeah, the 3 pear trees are gone. I don't know if you can see that one. Stan cut them down. The Fuji is still there because, well, it still produces pear trees we've had trouble with, and not a whole lot of pears out of there. We are going to make the garden smaller this year, so Stan has not started any tomatoes or peppers inside. We will just buy all of them. Well, this is a muddy mess. I can see I can't walk through that way. I don't see any asparagus up anyway. Hey, at least the chives are up. They look pretty nice. I'll show you the basil inside. So this basil I bought as a plant, I think at Meyer, and it did okay. It's not really growing much. And this was pathetic at first, but if you remember, I saved some basil seeds from the garden last year. Still have a bunch of them. Planted them, and it took many, many weeks before they did anything at all. But now they're nice. Now they're nice, and of course the aloe is doing great. It's going to be a while before I can trust the weather to put it outside. And we cut up potatoes yesterday. They had chieftain again this year, so they don't keep, but they do. They are a good early potato. Oh, these aren't marked? Well, let's see. These are the Canada Gold. That's new. We haven't planted those before. Then these must be the Eva. Eva did great for us last year. In fact, we still have potatoes. Let me show you. So yeah, we have to keep taking the sprouts off, but these are still potatoes that we dug last summer. These are Evas. Is that not amazing? So we will be planting them again this year.